Git is one of the most popular tools used as a distributed version control system. We will be installing Git tools on Linux via a binary installer. As Ubuntu is a Debian-based distribution, we will be using package management tool like apt. Ubuntu default repository will have older versions of Git. Personal Package Archive provides the latest stable upstream Git version. To install latest version of Git, add git core to Personal Package Archive. So few terminal commands will be using to install Git. First, update default system packages. If at all you have any broken packages, fix them first, and then we'll proceed with Git installation. Open the terminal. Let's check if we have Git pre-installed in our system. So we don't have Git in our system. So let's add git core to ppa archive. For that I'm using command sudo add apt repository ppa git core /ppa. Enter the password for root user. So Personal Package Archive is a collection of software not included in Ubuntu by default. So the contents of PPA are not checked or monitored. So we'll be installing them at our own risk. So time to update system packages. Default system packages. So for that use the command sudo apt-get update. So we are done with updating default system packages. Let's clear the logs. So to install Git, use the command sudo apt install git all. So this is the command I'm using to install Git. So do you want to continue? Type Y, press enter. So we can see installation of Git is progressing. So in the previous tutorial, we had a brief introduction on Git, difference between Git and GitHub. So in the following tutorial, we'll be learning how to use Git, commit our code to a repository created on GitHub. The installation is progressing. So we are done with 38%, 39%. This takes around 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. So at times we may have few broken packages. So it becomes necessary to fix those broken packages and then proceed to install Git. So there are many ways to install Git on our system. We can use binary installer or download the source code and compile it. I find using the binary installer as the easiest way. We are done with installing Git in our system. So we have to verify whether our installation was successful or a failure. So for that, let's check the version now. Command is git --version. So in response, we got the Git